Ghee. Totally tasty. It's like butter, but better. Ghee has tons of great benefits. It has a high smoke point, so you can get it really hot in a pan. It's not gonna go carcinogenic as fast as butter will. It's packed with fat-soluble vitamins. I'm reading some of this stuff off the internet here, so lactose-free. It has CLA in it, which is a fatty acid associated with health benefits, and actually helps burn fat. It tastes really good. I like to put it on vegetables and all kinds of yummy stuff and just substitute it for butter. It's also good for Whole30 or if you're doing paleo or that kind of style. So I'm going to show you right now how to make it. This is what it looks like when it's finished. Delicious ghee. Yeah, gonna make some ghee. Alright man, this is too easy. Check it out. Basically you're waiting for it to foam up a little bit. And those milk solids will start to separate from the oils. The key is you don't want it to burn, so we're having that nice mellow medium low. Here I'm just skimming the solids from the top as well as I can, and then checking the bottom of the pan. You'll see me periodically checking the bottom of the pan to make sure it's not burning. We wanted to get it like a golden color. We want to brown it, not burn it. So you can see here it's starting to turn more clear. The dense foam is turning into more bigger bubbles, and we can filter those off with our cheesecloth or our filter. See how it's starting to brown on the bottom? It's looking real close. We're just about there. As you can see when I'm pouring it there, it's a nice clear. And here it's all separated in the pan. Let it cool down a little bit before you filter it. It's like butter, but better. No, that doesn't work.